In problem number 20, we're told that at each point on a curve, the slope of the curve is 4xy. What that means to us is that dy dx is 4xy. Then we're told that the curve contains this point 0, 4. We have to find which of the listed equations matches the curve that they've described. Well, let's solve this differential equation. We'll first get a general solution, then we'll get a particular solution. To solve this differential equation, we'll separate the variables. Let's get all the y's on one side, so we divide both sides by y, and all the x's on the other side. So we'll multiply both sides by dx. Now we'll integrate the left side with respect to y and the right side with respect to x. So on the left, we get natural log of the absolute value of y plus a constant. It's equal to 4x squared over 2 plus another constant. We use a subscript to tell that those constants are not necessarily the same value. Now let's simplify. 4x squared over 2, that's just 2x squared. And let's subtract constant 1 from both sides. So on the right side, if you have a constant minus a constant, we get a different constant. So we'll call it c with a subscript 3. This is the natural log of the absolute value of y. Once we're down to one term involving the constant, we can substitute the values 0 and 4. We can substitute at this point or any point after this step. Let's substitute now and solve for c sub 3. What we're going to do then is we're going to say that the natural log of y, or the natural log of 4, is equal to 2 times x squared, or 2 times 0 squared. That's this third constant. Okay. Now the natural log of 4 is equal to the third constant. Okay. Now we're going to take this and substitute natural log of 4 into our equation. As a matter of fact, we're going to move this over here so we have a little more room for scratch work. So now we've got the natural log of the absolute value of y equal to 2x squared plus, and we're replacing c3 with the natural log of 4. The absolute value bars aren't necessary now because 4 is already a positive number. Now we need to solve for y and match the answer with the ones that are listed. So let's rewrite this as an exponential equation. We can say that the absolute value of y is equal to e to the 2x squared plus the natural log of 4. Now, if you remember your algebra rules, your exponent rules, recognize that we can call this e to the 2x squared times e to the natural log of 4. And now if you remember, that e to the natural log of 4 is really just 4. Now to get y by itself, to get the absolute value bars out of the way, we're going to say plus or minus 4 times e to the 2x squared. And plus or minus, there's a technicality, but since we were dealing with the 0.04, we had a positive y value. We can eliminate the plus or minus. We know we're dealing with a positive y value. See, this matches option letter C. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for watching.